Imagine going to sleep on an ordinary night and waking up to a world transformed into frozen silence. Not a slow cooling, not a gradual shift in climate, but an instant plunge into a new ice age overnight. What would happen to our planet, our cities, and us? Let's step into a world where the temperature drops faster than humanity can react. At 2 a.m., the first signs appear. Weather stations across the northern hemisphere record something impossible. Temperatures falling 20 degrees per hour. Meteorologists assume a glitch, but within minutes, the warnings flood in. A massive atmospheric collapse. Clouds flash freeze. Moisture turns to ice crystals mid-air. The sky turns white. By sunrise, the world is unrecognizable. Every exposed surface is sealed beneath a layer of ice. Roads vanish, rivers stop flowing, entire coastlines crystallize into frozen walls. The average global temperature? Down by 25 degrees Celsius in a single night. In North America, skyscrapers groan under the sudden weight of ice. In Europe, entire highways disappear beneath frozen fog. In Asia, power grids fail as turbines and pipelines freeze solid. Humanity enters survival mode. But how could something like this even happen? A second ice age would require a catastrophic trigger, a volcanic super eruption blotting out the sun, a massive shift in ocean currents, or a sudden collapse of the jet stream. Anything that disrupts Earth's delicate heat balance could send the planet spiraling into deep freeze. In this scenario, one chain reaction changes everything. Here's the science. The ocean acts as Earth's thermal engine. It stores heat, moves it, regulates our climate. But if ocean circulation suddenly stopped, especially the Atlantic conveyor, warm water would no longer reach the north. Cold water would sink, ice would expand, albedo would rise, and Earth would begin cooling at terrifying speed. But not over centuries, over hours. By day one, life becomes a countdown. Cars can't start, phones shut down, windshields crack from the expanding ice. Millions flee south, but highways turn into frozen graveyards. Cities closest to the poles fall first. Toronto, Oslo, Moscow, Reykjavik, gone beneath blizzards so thick you can't see more than 3 meters ahead. And the oceans, the surfaces freeze, not months later, the same day. Day 3, governments announce a global emergency. Food distribution collapses, air travel ends. Frostbite sets in within minutes outdoors. But the worst is yet to come. With the ocean sealed under ice, evaporation stops, rainfall stops, agriculture collapses, entire ecosystems crash. Earth isn't just cold, it's dying. 1 week into the Ice Age, the planet enters a state scientists call thermal equilibrium collapse. The temperature stabilizes at minus 40 degrees Celsius in many regions, minus 60 degrees Celsius in the Arctic, and still falling. Skyscrapers burst as steel contracts, bridges snap from brittleness, wind carries shards of ice sharp enough to cut exposed skin. Humanity retreats underground, subway tunnels, basements, bunkers. The world above becomes a frozen wasteland. But humans adapt. We always do. New heat zones form in the warmest regions, South America, parts of Africa, Australia. Artificial farms grow food under full-spectrum lights. Engineers build geothermal cities powered by volcanic heat. Humanity shrinks, but survives. And above them, a silent, frozen world. sleeps. If Earth entered a second ice age overnight, our civilization would fracture, rebuild, and evolve into something new. But there's a deeper question behind this scenario. Are we the masters of our climate, or just passengers riding a fragile world through a universe of chaos? If one night could change everything, how prepared are we for tomorrow? This is the ice age that never waited, never warned, never slowed down. A frozen Earth born in a single night. Would humanity survive? Yes, but the world we knew would be gone forever.